Qualitrol is the world's trusted leader in repairs and support for the automation industry. Qualitrol International understands how critical it is to keep your machines running smoothly to avoid downtime and unnecessary risk to your operations. Our repair services are world-class. We have rush repairs with parts in stock. Our IPC certified technicians can do complete failure repair analysis with turnaround times in days, not weeks, and it all comes with a 2-year warranty. We can replace touchscreens, backlights, bezels, and communication ports for all major brands such as Rockwell Automation, GE, Siemens, Allen Bradley, Computer Dynamics, Emerson, and more. Our experienced team gives you much more than automation parts, modules, and systems. We continue to support you after the sale of our products. As an Emerson Premier Distributor and Authorized Repair Division, our support services are unmatched. They include 24/7 phone support, on-site technical support, obsolete and end-of-life upgrades, and an extensive resource library. Qualitrol operates a clean test and rebox program that ensures the parts you have work and are packaged accurately. We'll test each board, make repairs as needed, clean and rebox each part, and then return them to you with a 2-year warranty. Qualitrol International, we've got you covered. Contact us today